If you've ever had a payment fail on Whop, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to retry a failed payment on Whop, whether you're a customer trying to restore access or a merchant trying to help a member complete their transaction. This is a quick but important process because a failed payment can temporarily interrupt access to a subscription, community, or product, and the sooner you retry it, the faster everything is restored. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's cover the buyer method. If you're a customer and your recurring payment or subscription charge was declined, the easiest thing to do is update your billing details and retry the charge directly. Start by opening Whop and clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Orders. This is where you can view your memberships, purchases, and subscription activity. Inside Orders, find the membership that shows as inactive, failed, or past due. Click on that specific membership to open its details. Once you're inside the order page, look for the Retry Payment button. This option lets you immediately attempt the charge again without waiting for the automatic system to try later. Click Retry Payment and Whop will process the transaction right away. If the payment goes through successfully, your access should be restored immediately. That means you can get back into the community, continue your subscription, or keep using the product without any extra steps. If the payment fails again, the next best move is to check your card details. Make sure the billing address is correct, confirm that the card has sufficient funds, and try again after updating your payment method. Now here's something important to know. Whop doesn't cancel failed payments instantly. In many cases, it will automatically attempt to recharge the payment over a 5-day window before access is cancelled. So if you act quickly and update your payment method manually, you can often prevent losing access altogether. That's why it's a good idea to handle it as soon as you notice the failure. Now let's move on to the merchant method. If you're a seller or creator and one of your members has a failed payment, you can trigger a manual retry from your dashboard. To do that, log into Retry.com and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click Payments. This section shows you the payment activity for your store, memberships, and customers. Next, use the status filter and select Failed or Past Due. This will narrow the list so you can quickly find the exact transaction that needs attention. Once you locate the failed payment, click on the specific transaction or the user associated with it. This opens the payment details and gives you the option to take action. From there, click Retry Payment. Whop will attempt the charge again using the customer's existing payment method. If the customer's card has been updated or if sufficient funds are now available, the payment may go through successfully, and if it does, Whop will automatically restore the member's community access without you having to manually re-add them. If the retry fails again, the best next step is to ask the customer to update their card using the buyer method we covered earlier. That way they can correct the billing issue on their side and then retry the payment themselves. In many cases, that's the fastest way to solve the problem and avoid repeated declines. So to quickly recap, if you're a buyer, go to your profile, open orders, select the failed membership and click Retry Payment. If you're a merchant, go to Dashboard, open Payments, filter by failed or past due, select the transaction and retry the payment from there. Either way, the goal is the same. Get the payment processed and restore access as soon as possible. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.